Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Ara's Kitchen, where I bring you amazing recipes from all over the world. Today I will be showing you guys how I make one of my favorite salads. It's very simple, guys. This is one of the salads I usually recommend to the salad lovers in my weight loss program. Remember, it's not just for people trying to lose weight. Anyone can have it. My lunches are usually salads or smoothies, and this is one of my fave salads, guys. If you want to get this recipe, keep watching. Guys, remember you can meal prep this. Like, let's say prepare it on Sunday and just refrigerate it for the week. I meal plan each week, guys. Meal planning is very important. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. All right, let's move on to the ingredients. All right, guys, here are the ingredients. So I need arugula. This is about 5 ounces. I love arugula. This is red onions, just a half of red onion, 1 red bell pepper, and then some white mushrooms here, guys. Remember, white mushrooms have excellent health benefits, loaded with vitamin D, low in calories. I saute my mushrooms with some olive oil and the cooking Marsala wine that you see right there. All right, guys. I usually serve this salad with my homemade lemon garlic dressing. I call it Dr. Ara's Kitchen Lem Garl dressing. I don't purchase salad dressing from the stores because I think it's loaded with calories and a whole bunch of other stuff that I do not like to consume. So I just put everything out here, guys, so you guys see what I use. Of course, after this, I'll have to measure them and get to mixing. So I will need 3 cloves of crushed garlic right here, 1 fresh lemon, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and about 1/8 a teaspoon of salt right here. I use pink Himalayan salt. So, like I said, I will get these measured and get to mixing. And you can also use a blender if you prefer, but usually I just mix them together and just whisk it, and our salad dressing is done. All right, moving on, guys. Now let's get to sauteing the mushrooms. All right, guys, this is the final product. I went ahead and plated the salad and mushrooms on the side. The mushroom smells amazing. The dressing smells amazing. Oh my God. Remember, you can store the dressing in a container in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days, guys, and you only need a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. Guys, try this salad recipe with Dr. Arrow's Lem Garl salad dressing and let me know how you liked it. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate your time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I like reading your comments, guys. Until next time, Dr. Arrow's Kitchen signing off.